please check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, guess what? I'm going to open 2 packs of 1996 Donruss. Let's see what kind of buried treasures we'll find. Be kind of cool, get some cool ones. Open the 85 pack of Donruss. Got a Roger Clemens cards. That was quite cool. But, you know, never know. Kind of like the 80s design. These things are not too flashy. They do have kind of Mad Max, you know, kind of like, or what's the name that, the crazy character thing on the side. Card's kind of bent a little. Yeah. Oh, for a second I thought I had a great medic. I got a little side there. This guy was an interesting player. He blackmailed umpires in his rookie year too. He's an interesting short little guy too. Guy was like a psychopath in this one. Von Hayes, he's been around. He had a decent career. Oh my goodness! Once again. Oh, sighted. Oh, sighted again. Roger Clay, second year card. Guys, first year card. Now I got a second year card. Oh, interesting here, dude, right there. Game ball, just shave it. The last one for this pack. Roger, so far the best one. This young man right here. Beautiful as ever. Yes, you are beautiful. He'd be a Hall of Famer, my opinion. First, unfortunately, get the puzzle piece. Kind of a little damaged, a little bit. Oh, this guy had an interesting story about him. Every time he had to get closer, every time back to back, almost no hitters. Keep going. Taking your card. Got Diamond King. Oh, Kirk Gibson. Guy hit a home run off his extra lead during the 88 World Series. So far, I have no rated rookie cards yet. But yeah, sure, had a decent career. Watch me down again. Got a lot of his cards. Yeah, that was his first year card. This guy interesting. Bob Boone. Aaron Boone's is a manager for the Yankees now. So far, Jay Howe. Yeah, they need a Big Daddy. He's got a good career. I don't know why he's not big, you know what I mean? This was weird. And the last one won. Small. Alright. So that's pretty much it. Like and subscribe, let me know what you think. We're going to do better next time. Thanks for watching.